If you announce your goals to others, you are less likely to make them happen because you lose motivation, studies confirmed. Your favorite song is probably such because you associate it with an emotional event in your life. People with unfortunate initials, such as PIG or ASS, have significant lower life expectancy due to psychological stress related to childhood bullying. Your brain does more creative work when you're tired. 1 in 5 American CEOs have clinically significant psychopathic traits. People with low self-esteem tend to try and humiliate others. Millionaires who have earned their wealth are moderately happier than those who inherited it, a 2018 psychology study found. For luxury brands, the ruder the sales staff, the higher the sales, research found. The key to happiness is spending your money on experiences rather than possessions, according to studies. The brain treats rejection like physical pain, according to scientists. Comedians and funny people are usually more depressed than average, research found. Severe depression can cause us to biologically age more by increasing the aging process in cells. Crying makes you feel better, reduces stress, and may help to keep the body healthy. 3 out of 4 teenage girls feel depressed after looking at a fashion magazine for only 3 minutes, according to a study. The feeling of certainty can be triggered without the need for facts or reasoning, using electric stimulation over a specific part of the brain. People with unfortunate initials, such as PIG or ASS, have significant lower life expectancy due to psychological stress related to childhood bullying. Boanthropy is a psychological disorder where people think they're cows. Researchers have found that optimism is a teachable skill and that you can be the one to teach yourself. Our memories can be so easily manipulated that in just 3 hours you can be convinced you committed a crime in your teenage years, a research found. People who swear more often are more honest than those who don't, a study found. People plotting revenge experience heightened activity in the brain's reward center, according to a 2004 study in the journal Science. Shyness is an evolutionary adaptation. Whereas the braver animals may find more mates and eat more food, the shyer individuals, hiding on the sidelines, might avoid attack. A study found that, while men are attracted to nice-seeming women upon meeting them, women do not feel the same way about nice men. A man, under the influence of the hormone prolactin, wants to sleep after sex, and a woman, on the contrary, is intoxicated with oxytocin and is overwhelmed with emotions, so she wants to talk. Most people believe other people's social lives are richer and more active than their own, a study found. Studies have suggested that losses are, psychologically, twice as powerful as gains. So winning $100 feels as good to us as losing $50 feels bad. Phobias may be memories passed down through generations in DNA, according to a new research. Anxiety in men often does not appear as nervousness or worry appears, but rather as anger, muscle aches or alcohol use.